Hello everyone! How are you? It's been a while. Guess what? Tonight I will take to the stage and give a massive makeup demonstration. So let's put on these brows. Now I get asked so many times every day to do a brow tutorial. Ladies, I do have an in-depth brow tutorial somewhere in my videos. I think it's actually called How I Do My Brows. Something like that. But all I use is an Essence brow pencil in brown. Is that a bit fierce? While I'm doing my eyebrows, I do like to put a little something on my lips just to hydrate it, but today we're going the extreme direction. Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme to be exact. Now when I first bought these, it burned the shit out of me, so I stopped using it for a while. It worked, but it just stopped working after the first time. But I think it's working again. This is what it looks like. If you're a bit of a pussy, I probably wouldn't use this because it does she burns. Now what this is supposed to do is plump your lips. Woo! She's stinging, she's plumping. Look, there's no way that they're even, but we're gonna push through it because I've only got 4 hours to get ready. It's a process, okay? Alrighty, so I'm going to take the Morphe concealer and I'm going to conceal my eyelids. This is going to be my base for my eyeshadow, plus clean up my eyebrows. Shit. That's really bright. But don't worry, we're going to be covering most of this with eyeshadow. You just look a bit shit until you do that. Stunning! Okay, so I haven't tried the Makeup Geek shadows over this particular concealer. This concealer does dry down. It actually doesn't have much playtime, which has probably fucked me. Probably fucked me good. But we're gonna go with it because I'm not putting another concealer on. I can't be bothered. I'm going to be taking the shade Aphrodite and I'm going to start popping that through my crease. Remember, this is going to be a trust the process kind of look. Guys, you know, nothing's new here. I need some depth behind my crease because I will be cutting through it with concealer. We're going for a cut crease today because I want to put that holographic colour on me lid. So I want to make sure that I've got a lot of depth behind it to create a nice contrast. Do I sound hell professional? Made you think. Now to blend out this line is all about finesse. It's like, you know, how you would handle a set of balls, okay? With finesse. Now I'm just going to lightly blend at that edge to blur it out before we even put our other shadow on there. Oh, it's not blending. Now that that's blended okay, I'm going to now take my next shade. This is Wild West by Makeup Geek. It's like a mushroomy brown kind of tone. I usually avoid these kind of tones, but I'm feeling it. I feel like they're neutral enough to do like the holographic lid. But what the fuck do I know, right? Alrighty guys, now we're going to cut the crease. I'm going to cut with the same Morphe concealer. Alright, taking Sugar Rush now, I'm going to put that on my lid. Holy shit. What do you reckon? This is actually a JD Glow Cosmetics. This is in Peacock. It's absolutely incredible. I'm thinking because when I close, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Sometimes when you do like a really light color all the way over the lid, it looks like eyeballs. Show you. Okay, I'm going to do it. For liner today, I'm taking the Inglot Gel Liner, the black one. I'm going to do a teal award line. This is Makeup Geek Full Spectrum in Mint. Now to stick with my old faithful kind of theme I got going on, I'm going to take Modelrock Tatiki lashes. Now I'm in desperate need of a bit of hydration. I'm going to take my go-to moisturizer. This is a Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. For primer today, I'm taking the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Beautiful primer, really good for filling in potholes, which is what I have at the moment. Alright, we're going to use the Morphe Foundation today. This is in F2.30. So taking the Too Faced Born This Way in Warm Beige. I'm going to mix the two together. That's not my shade. Do I look orange? Yes, I do. Also going to conceal with the Morphe concealer today, guys. Now this might be a little bit light. Yes. Setting with the Mercier translucent powder. Everywhere I've applied concealer. Alrighty, for contour today we're going to take the OFRA Versatile Matte Bronzer. Alrighty guys, I'm actually going to take this ChiChi Cosmetics Stay On Lip Liner in shade It Girl. I'm just going to line my lips with that. Then I'm going to take the Essence Shine 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 Lip Gloss in Bright On. Look at the size of the fucking thing. This is from Mermaid Hair. And apparently it gives like a good kink thing, but I don't know if it's gonna work. I really hope it does. But I mean, it's a bit scary because I've got to get really close with it. How the fuck? This is gonna be dangerous. How the fuck? Oh god. Oh god. It's gonna be like that fucking video where that girl's hair falls off the picture. I was sucked into another fucking hair gimmick. I don't like it. Off he goes. Change of plan, guys. I have switched over to the VS Sassoon Wave Envy. I think this cost me like 30 bucks from Priceline. Let's go with that one. It's my old faithful. I used to use it all the time. Fuck yeah. Bring back the crimp. It's gonna look wild. It's gonna look wild. We're back. a bit naked at the moment, but that's fine because you're not going to see my titties. This is that Huda Beauty body highlighter in Luna. Let's chuck some on, hey? Was I supposed to use that much? Oh my god, it's so stunning. Supposed to use your hands? Ooh.